Thank you, ma'am. End of a chapter is the beginning of a new chapter. This is the last day of the conference, and I hope the next conference we will meet again with the help of all the dignitaries and the people sitting here. It's my proud privilege and distinct honor to propose the vote of thanks for the international conference on AI, data science, cyber security, and smart manufacturing for Sustainable Development ICA DCS 2026. Organized by Vikrant University Gwalior, this two-day conference has truly been a remarkable confluence of knowledge, innovation, collaboration, and academic excellence. First and foremost, I express our deepest gratitude to the Honorable Chancellor Sir, Shri Rakesh Singh Rathore, for his visionary leadership, unwavering encouragement, and constant motivation towards academic excellence and research-driven innovation. His inspiring guidance continues to shape the future of quality, education, and global learning. We sincerely thank our esteemed patron Shri Nitin Singh Tomar ji, Shri Vikrant Singh Rathore ji, Honorable Pro-Chancellor of Vikrant University for their constant support, inspiration, and commitment towards creating a vibrant ecosystem for higher education, innovation, and international research collaboration. A special note of gratitude to Dr. G.S. Tomar sir, Chairperson IEEE MP section, and all organizing members for their academic leadership in bringing together researchers, academicians, industry experts, innovators, and scholars from across the globe under one platform to exchange ideas and discuss emerging technologies for sustainable development. I also give a special note to Dr. Sanjeev Patjoshi, guest of honor, for sparing his valuable time and the guidance to all of us. Our heartfelt gratitude goes to Professor Dr. Atul Kumar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Vikrant University, whose academic vision, dynamic leadership, and valuable guidance have been instrumental in making ICA DCS 2026 grand success. His dedication towards fostering interdisciplinary research and innovation is truly commendable. I extend sincere thanks to Ms. Richa Verma, Registrar, Vikrant University, for her valuable administrative support, tireless dedication, and seamless coordination throughout the conference planning and execution. I also express our sincere appreciation to Dean Academics, distinguished advisory committee members, conference chairs, co-conveners, organizing committee members, faculty coordinators, session chairs, reviewers, volunteers, whose restless efforts, teamwork, and commitment ensured the successful conduct of the international conference. Their hard work behind the scenes deserves special recognition and applause. We gratefully acknowledge the valuable technical supports and professional support provided by the IEEE Madhya Pradesh section, whose association has significantly enhanced the technical quality, academic standards, and international visibility of ICA DCS 2026. I also extend our sincere thanks to MPCST Madhya Pradesh Council of Science and Technology for their generous sponsorship and encouragement towards promoting research, innovation, scientific advancement, and technological development for societal benefit. I also appreciate to the Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers IETE for their valuable academic and professional support to this conference and for encouraging young researchers and professionals in the field of emerging technologies. A very special thanks to Vikrant University Gwalior for providing an excellent platform, world-class infrastructures, and warm hospitality that made this conference truly memorable, intellectually enriching, and impactful for all participants. I also thankful to all keynote speakers, distinguished delegates, researchers, authors, industry experts, and participants for sharing their valuable knowledge, insightful research findings, innovating ideas, practical experiences that greatly enriched the conference deliberation and inspired meaningful discussions. I would also like to acknowledge the enthusiastic participation of students, young researchers whose curiosity, energy, and innovative spirit added great value to the conference and reflected the promising futures of science and technology. Finally, I extend sincere thanks to our media team, technical support staff, student volunteers, IT team, and everyone working behind the scenes whose dedicated efforts, cooperation, and commitment contributed immensely to the smooth and successful organization of ICA DCS 2026. As we conclude this prestigious international conference, let us carry forward the spirit of innovation, collaboration, and sustainable development that has been essence of ICA DCS 2026. May the discussions and ideas shared here continue to inspire future research, partnerships, technological advancement for the betterment of society. With immense gratitude to all dignitaries, participants, sponsors, collaborators, and supporters, I conclude my vote of thanks. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, Jai Vikrant.
Thank you, sir, for expressing gratitude on the behalf of the organizing committee of this conference.